Hey peeps, so as you can see, I did tape these up and I cleaned them up a little bit and I put them on the buffer, and now we're going to take the tape off and see what we got. Got a little bit of black smudge there, but looks good. Looks real good. Gonna get that black smudge off with a tad bit of that. We can now take the tape off of the checkering because we don't need that anymore. This one turned out good too. You just gotta put it on the buffing wheel, use some of the black polishing medium, and it will turn out good. A little bit of black on that one. Nothing that a Scotch-Brite pad won't bring off. I've already sanded a little bit on this one part. As you can see, looks just like the other part now. These are mated. I did the sanding off camera, but yeah, that one turned out pretty good. The medallion. This one turned out gorgeous. Take the tape off of this, off the checkering, and you kind of want to rub them around a little bit. Blow all of the dust out. You don't want dust in there because we are going to use some of this 60% oil-based polyurethane gloss and 40% mineral spirits. And this is how we do it. These are ready to G to the O. First you put a little bit around the checkering. Put a little bit on the checkering. Not a whole lot. It doesn't take a whole lot. And that'll do it for the checkering. This is going to be multiple coats. So, you know. Before I'm done, let me do one more thing. You always do this on lead or something, on the leather. Okay. These bubbles won't stay. These bubbles will not stay. They will be gone by the mineral spirits. You want to be sure you get all of it. See how they're dissipating off of the actual grip. And be sure that you cover the whole grip. Like sometimes you'll miss a spot or two. These are covered. These go in the cookie tin. Do the same thing on these. Go around the checkering. Doesn't take much. And then go in the checkering. Do it both ways so it goes, gets the actual checkering. You would just want to cover, like use 1 or 2 coats on the checkering. You don't want to lose any of the actual grippiness. But this is how you do it. This is how it's done. This is how we make the donuts. And you can already see it bringing out that really deep, rich wood grain that we brung out when we stripped them and restored them, sanded them. You can see. You got to be really careful just to touch the center hole where the screw goes. You don't want to, look at that. Look at that sexy beast. Put them in the cookie tin. Have something handy to wipe your brush off, and I'll dip it in the mineral spirits later. Then you want to do this. Get all of your mixture off of the lid, because you want to be able to open it for the next time. And trust me, usually I use shop towels for this, but you got to get all of it off. Then you go around the lip, get all of that off. Well, that just fell on the floor, but that's okay, because we're not using it right now. You can see it's soaking up the grip's soaking up the polyurethane already. So it'll take several coats, but you want to slowly, carefully put the lid on it. These are Danish butter cookies, and they are delicious. A lot of people don't like them. I love them. And you do that, you put them in that airtight, well, not really airtight, but dust-free environment. You put them in that dust-free environment so that there's no dust that you have to sand out of your finish. You wait 24 hours, it's 3:14, so I'll make another video at about 3:15 tomorrow of the second coat, and so on. There's going to be a part 2, part 3, you put on coats until it looks good, or until you're done, until it quits soaking it up, because you took all of the polyurethane out, and you left just the wood, so it's going to soak it up. That's all I got for today. Please like, please subscribe, please do all the other things that you guys do. Comment. Love to read your comments. I usually answer back. Thank you. Have a great one.